All right, so I actually just took the 60 tooth blade off of my miter saw because I need it for some finer cuts on the table saw. So to swap out this blade on the Dewalt saw, the tools come right on the side of the saw, so that's convenient. And you just hook it on, you raise the blade up as high as it'll go. Use this little tool to kind of keep the blade from rotating. It fits on there, you just kind of gotta wait until it seats itself. And then this one spins counterclockwise, so it should be, so you pull towards yourself to loosen this nut. And once it's loose, you can just do the rest by hand. Just keep your hand down there so you don't drop the nut down into the saw, which is no big deal, but it's annoying. Okay, so there you go. Okay, I got that Mamba blade off, which is a great blade, but every blade has its purpose. This is more of a ripping blade, and I need a finer finish crosscut blade. All right. So this is what I'm looking for. This has to go in here. Definitely, you know that it rotates this way on a table saw, so you need to make sure your teeth are going downwards, okay? Slide it on. Replace this big washer looking thing. And then do the first couple twists of the, you can do most of the tightening by hand, pretty much almost all the way. Then put your two tools back on, and you're gonna be pushing away from you to snug it up. And remember that you have two opposing forces here, so instead of just trying to push, you push and pull at the same time. Pushing and pulling. Hope that was helpful. Time to get to work.